Omegar.
Gammer.
And we're Alpher and Omega, featuring Gammer.
This is Alpher and Omegar's Advent Calendar Unboxing, Day 8.
Ayo! So, Day 8.
Day number
8
8.
already.
Yeah,
So,
what's Advent Calendar love it?
let's see, where is
Day
8?
Day 8.
8.
There we are. It's a big one.
Monday.
Where's your 8? Oh, you got it right there.
Cow.
Alright. Turn it around.
More building stuff.
Whoops.
The frosty 8. Here it is.
No. Okay.
Oh, no, that's Lady, I believe, from Lady and the Tramp. You ever seen that movie?
No.
Oh, it's a good one. The little doggies are eating spaghetti together and they suck up the same strand and end up kissing. It's very cute. You ever seen that?
No, but I have a book. I have a Disney book that has it.
Oh, that has that? Yeah.
Does this come off?
Yeah, that's the headpiece. Oh wait, I think that. Yeah, that's a headpiece.
Oh,
just
I
like
thought
the one on Bambi there.
Yeah, it is.
Similar. It's similar. This is a scarf.
Yeah.
See? Yeah. So, let's move this to the side
That's
here so you can
my
check it out. Yeah. You got
And
that.
it looks, the bag looks pretty big. Look at this.
Yeah. Well, it's got to fit that big figure.
Oh, yeah.
Check out this. It's a little ornament. So we can stick, what you want? What'd you say?
And
Something.
You want the bag?
Not bad.
Oh, the box. Yeah.
so, based on the design of this and the colouring of it, and this is like one of the battle-like droid flying vessels, I'm fairly certain this is also some sort of droid-related tank thing or deployment vessel. But definitely.
Which medium do you want to put in here?
What
Daisy?
medium? Daisy? Yeah. What about Mickey?
Well, Mickey is there with Minnie.
Lady's
So there we
cute
are.
there with a little scarf. It's adorable.
Little star.
Put everybody in here.
No, I'm not moving everyone's. They'll come tumbling down and go everywhere.
Wait, is it on mine? Is it not?
What?
It's on yours.
What?
The star. It was Daisy in it. Look. There's it on back.
I don't think so.
Do these things become walkers? They don't do that, right?
Those are the things that sit on the side of a Trade Federation ship, and then when they see a threat, they go.
So, and it comes up and then the arms actually do swivel on here.
Oh, look there! Yeah, just like that.
And then
That's kind of nifty. And yeah, no, I'll not steel trap this one. So yeah, she's right. On the box there, it was in fact that thing with Daisy in it. So we've got the configuration as it's supposed to be, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
everything is
So
as
now,
it should be.
today, what do you think? Lady with her scarf. Oops, sorry. Lady with her scarf, the star, or the vulture droid. I think that's what that one's called.
I would say the star.
Oh yeah.
Just
I kind of like Lady with her.
I would take all of them.
Yeah, I know you would. I kind of like Lady with her scarf. I'm a sucker for the big ones with their little headpiece things, I guess.
it's pretty neat, huh?
What's your favourite one, Omega?
Probably this little one right here. I like the fact that it's
I like that it can move.
yeah,
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah. Alright. Well, until next time, that's this time.
For Alpher and Gammer, I'm Omegar.
Ayo!